I'm the fool who every day screams and calls your name. I never saw the truth that you had already gone so far. From the day you left until right now, I've been bleeding tears, I scream and shout. There has never been a day that your name's not in my head. I'm the fool every day walks out to the fields cold edge, and I cry while staring down all the roads we used to roam. Watch the sunlight rip the sky apart. Cry and cry until the dark pulls in. When the sun has drowned, I'm still here screaming all alone. Guess you've gone to chase your own bright skies. Guess you've burned my name out of your mind. Only this fool remains, crying all alone. You don't even care how our loved ones lit the night. When you left me there, you killed my light. Never once you turned to see my eyes. Do you even know there's a rotting heart you left behind? Every night I drown in my drink, howling out for you. Every day I spin around like a ghost that's lost its home.